Okay, this is how we're going to look into doing a login to the inspection support network known as the ISN. You put your username there and then put in your password, and then you're going to log in, and you can see who you're logging in under. So this one is for Brian, new inspector, and this is the front page that can be customizable. This stuff can somehow be moved if you want to move this stuff around. Find an inspector agent. There's many different things you can do, like you can cross that out. There's a quick guide that you may want to look at here, and shows you how you can do certain things, like I want to view my calendar. One thing about the ISN, it shows you a lot of how to do things just from the ISN, Brian. So first thing you do, so you're at the home screen. You go up here, you can view the inspections, and this will show, you get to see all of them. This will be everything that we have going on at the time for this year, what we have going on for whatever that day is, tomorrow, yesterday, and up and coming. So this could be something that you would be looking at also, so you can see what's going on. So when you want to log in and say, hey, what's scheduled for Brian, you go to view calendar. And right now, I think we'll probably change this color, but these are jobs that you are scheduled to do. And you will see everything that goes on here. This is the information, the size, the basin. So here's the property. Here's the inspector. Me being the primary, you be the additional. When you start doing the inspections yourself, you'll be in that primary spot. Date and time, roughly how long it should estimate to take. Here's the subject property. And if any additional service is going to be done, we'll have them checked here. This is the fee the client will have to owe. Client, buyers, seller's agent. This is all the information. Inspection order notes, which is nice, order online by homeowner. This tells you who ordered it. Either the homeowner did that, or we did it here at the office, or someone else may put in, maybe the agent had started that, and which is good. Now over here on this side, on the details, this shows you the email events that go out, when and what goes out. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull up a regular inspection. That was one that the agent was not involved. So let's say yesterday, you hit information. This is the grid that shows you all the information. This is that same screen, but tells you a little bit about what's going on. This is the photo that was uploaded. This is the map. And this is the email. I tell you a lot, don't go out on a job until you know that the has been signed. And right here it shows that payment was signed. And this says this is to the agent. This is to the client. If you hover over it, you can see email was read on 12/30. Tells you what was going on. Tells you when they opened it, when they looked at it. This one is to remind the agent, and this one here is to tell us is the client verification, inspection time with agreement and payment. So if for some reason you haven't gotten it, you get two choices. You can hit this bar, and it will resend that email right away. Another thing that you can do here up at the actions, you can view or you can send agreement, which you have the home inspection agreement, a mold inspection agreement, and a radon contract agreement. We need to get these signed, whatever service that we're doing. So if you're doing that, you hold down the shift key, you hold down the control key, Brian, click on that, and it'll send the both of them. Put a little note in here, oh, please, blah, 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 blah. We need this before we do the inspection. So that would be something that you want to look at. So you can go in and play. So this is the agent contacts, the emails. This is all the information that you'll have access to. As far as support, You could go here for support. They do have a live chat, but they also have a visit to this got videos on pretty much anything that you would need to do, like setting up calendars or setting up ISN with PalmTech, or you can put down agents and it'll give you a list how to convert agents, or I'm not sure, like orders, inspection orders and that, and then basically they will show different videos and different stuff that they have if you have any questions. So again, for you to do what you would do every day, as you can do your calendar, and it will basically show, we'll probably change this to the blue with myself, and you can basically change it up here just to put your name only, and it will show exactly what jobs you have, and you can click right on it and it will basically say here's all the information. So that's sort of a little FYI on getting into the ISN, see what's kind of going on. And again, you can go to the calendar, but if you put all inspectors, that'll show everything that's going on. This is our CE class. We get 2 already for the 11th. So it just it's the easiest and simplest way that you can do certain things with the ISN, and that would basically be all you need. So we'll start with this video, and then we'll make some other one to show you different things you can do with the ISN, like taking it from PalmTech and then to the ISN and how to send out that order. So we'll do that in a separate video.